Welcome back to another video. You want to know how to make money online, with everything going on, how to make money online in 2020. I actually have a nice amount of ways to make money online. I am a success coach, health coach, affiliate marketer, the whole nine. I'm pretty much online, so all my money is being made online. Below, I will have a list of different things, but let's talk briefly on some of the things. And I'm more geared toward affiliate companies, programs already with a product in place. So I'm not here to make you run through the loops on, thinking of a product to sell, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to get you right to how to make money online. So really you have to decide, like when you click on one of these links below, what makes sense to you, product, service wise, what would be something that you will actually take or use, for you to feel comfortable or feel hype and motivated, and psyched to promote it to the masses. They have, I have things like, credit repair. If you're someone that's, needs their credit repair or really, wants to learn something about that, you have a company for that. If you're someone who wants to get into health and wellness, detoxing, losing weight, liquid vitamin supplements, maybe you're a gym person, gym guy, gym gal, then you will want to join something like my wellness company, one of the best wellness companies out. If you're someone who likes tech stuff, maybe you want to, join my Text by Ava system, great technology, or maybe you want to join me in Newbies on Fire. You're good with understanding, technology, and you're computer savvy, or, you're someone who wants just something, very, 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 very simple. So you can also join me in something like Newbies on Fire, which is designed for newbies. Or maybe you're someone who wants no tangible products at all. So you can also join me in something like Newbies on Fire, TextBot, Easy One Up, digital product-based companies designed for education, designed to help you take anything, whether it's your own digital product, ebook, and promote it to the masses. That's the issue with people with music, with products, own products, self-made products. They don't know how to get it to the masses. They don't know how to get on internet, take a video as such and get it to the masses, run an Instagram ad, run a Facebook ad, CPA, all that types of stuff. They don't know how to take their drop shipping business to the next level. So digital products are going to show you, it's going to be in the form of books, ebooks, but mainly videos. It's going to show you some marketing strategies, and someone like me is going to give you that training and their own seasoned training. There's always a book way to do it, and there's always loopholes to do it. There's always other creative ways to get the job done. So when you're want to learn how to make money online, figure out what niche and industry you want to climb in. Me personally, I'm a marketer. I like making passive income. I like getting online, getting on the Mac, making videos, putting ads, and finding people that are ready for a lifestyle change and showing them how I do it. That's my thing. I like seeing people hit their income goals and helping people, being able to help their people hit their income goals. That's why I like building teams as well. Building teams is so great because in order for you to make money, you have to help someone else make money. And earning off the efforts of others is what we all are used to anyways. We work a job, the CEO, the bosses are making money off of our efforts, our work. So that's a brief introduction, and I'm in my room right now, so you can do this thing from anywhere, but that's a brief introduction on how to make money online. And it's really some meat and potatoes. It's really no fluff. A lot of people like to get on here and do fluff, but all my links will be below, and it's going to explain everything. I'll label them perfectly so you have an idea of, is this something that might be for you, or you can click them all. But to leave you on this note, if you really want to make money online in 2020, you really want to make money online, period, you really have to come into a mindset of I'm going to work this thing, like I work my job. I'm going to really take this thing and know it's not an overnight thing. Know it might take some time, and pretty much look at this as a long run. Yes, I can show you how to make some instant money daily, but I don't know your work ethic. I don't know what you're working with, your situation or circumstances. I don't even know if you have a lot of time to do this thing. So It all depends off of your efforts, but I am going to position you to really make money online and do it the fun, cool way, and enjoy your summer or whatever season it is where you are. So if you like this video, share this with someone you think needs to hear this. Thumbs up, comment below what you took away from this video, and subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot of content dropping on the how to make money online space. I might even start dropping some special things for you on here as well. Thank you for stopping by this video. Stay tuned.